What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. I hope everybody doing okay. So from the title of the video, you know what I'm going to make. So let's get straight to it. So here I have 5 carrots and these were peeled and washed. So what I'm going to do is to just roughly chop them. So what I'm going to do next is to add this to a pot with some water along with some cinnamon sticks and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. So now that the carrots cook, I'm going to add it to the blender along with the liquid. Do not discard the liquid, alright? I'm also going to add some coconut milk, and just to give this some more body, I'm going to add some oats. Once you're done blending, add this back to the pot. I'm going to allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. During this time, I'm going to occasionally stir. I'm also going to add some spices, salt, and sweetener. So here I rinsed out the blender with about a half a cup of water and pour it back in the pot. I'm going to add my spices along with the sweetener. I'm using the coconut condensed milk, but you can use whatever sweetener of your choice. Although very straightforward, I'm going to list the ingredients down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. So after about a good 10 minutes, I turned off the heat, added my vanilla extract and the sweetener. And as I mentioned earlier, you can use whatever sweetener of your choice. That's it, my people, all done. You don't want this any thicker because porridge is one of those things that once it cooled down a bit and settled, it will thicken up some more. I'm amazed how simple some things can be at times, yet taste so good, because this porridge right here tastes amazing, honestly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give the recipe a try. Let me know if you do, and until next time, stay safe and bless up.